Welcome back to the Freeway Series. I'm Kraig Strom, Certified Financial Planner with Barth Financial Advisors in Orange, California. I'm on my way back to my home base in Norco and thinking about a story that a friend of mine shared with me recently. Blake Pearson is a partner at Gallant Risk and Insurance. He and his company specialize in commercial lines insurance, business insurance, insuring your fleet of vehicles, your warehouse, your factory, your commercial building. But he also offers personal lines insurance for his clients. And one of his clients actually purchased a new vacation property in South Florida. And this just blows me away because I honestly have heard this financial mistake 1,000 times. It just blows me away, but I guess I've never heard it at this level before. It just amazes me. So his client purchased a high-rise condo, not just a high-rise condo, the top floor condo in the south of Florida, beautiful resort area, and spent $5 million on the property. $5 million, just your basic condo. And in that condo, decorated it and filled it with $10 million worth of artwork, collectibles, statues, etc., etc. So a $5 million condo with $10 million worth of artwork and collectibles. So we've got a $15 million total asset. So as Blake reviewed the coverage for this new acquisition, he suggested adding flood and wind damage to the policy. And that would cost an additional premium. Now, his client said, no, we don't need flood damage. We're on the top floor. And we don't need wind damage. No big deal with hurricanes and stuff like that, because they also paid for very expensive storm shutters. Storm shutters. Okay. So they didn't take the wind and flood insurance. And of course, you know exactly what happened. 2 massive hurricanes came through and blew out one particular condo on the top floor. The shutters, the storm shutters, failed and blew a hole in this condo, and driving rain flooded in from the outside, and just massive winds, and just destroyed millions of dollars in artwork and interior furnishings. And of course, he got a phone call from his client asking about coverage. And Blake had to say, you don't have coverage for flood and wind damage. Unbelievable, right? So that client is going to have to sue the manufacturer of the storm shutters, right? That's all they can do, and the installer of the storm shutters. There's no insurance coverage because they refuse coverage. The total premium, $3,700. $3,700 to add coverage to protect a $10 million collectible collection. Okay? The financial mistake and the moral of the story: don't scrimp on protection. Don't buy the cheapest car insurance. Don't shop for the cheapest homeowner's insurance. Don't do that. Shop for protection first, and then work with your advisors to get the premiums at the most reasonable rate possible. But don't scrimp on protection, please. I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.